Thriving.
Huh?
And I said they're thriving.
They are they? They look pretty
I
happy.
think that it was those carpenter ants.
Yeah, that's what got the other one. These that had some beetles, but they look like they've got plenty of reserves here. Plenty of reserve. So that one's looking pretty doggone good, if I must say so myself. So there we have it. Should we inspect one of these frames while we're here?
Let's inspect this one. Gabe, the queen won't.
Gabe, repeat what you just said.
If the queen gets away, you're good.
She's not going to fly away with the hive that's this healthy. Just because we open it up, she's not going to up and fly away.